Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss factorizing a polynomial. Before going to discuss factorizing a polynomial, we need to know the factor theorem. Let us see the factor theorem. Factor theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then the first one is x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a equal to 0. Second one, and it converts if x minus a is factor of a polynomial p of x, then p of a equal to 0. To prove this theorem, we use remainder theorem. సో మనం రిమైండర్ థీరం ఒక్కసారి రిమెంబర్ చేసుకుంటే సేమ్. సో ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి మనకు పూర్తిగా కూడా రిమైండర్ థీరమే ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. లెట్ us see the theorem. ఓకే, here what is given? p of x is a polynomial n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number. సేమ్ అక్కడ కూడా అదే అనుకున్నాము. p of x is any real number, its degree is greater than or equal to 1. The first condition is x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a equal to 0. That means if p of a equal to 0, if p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. X minus a is factor. This is the first one. So what is the second one? Just it is the converse of the first one. If p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. Second one is if x minus a is factor, then p of a equal to 0. If x minus a is factor, then p of a equal to 0. Okay, these two you have to prove. Let us see the first one. So what is given? P of x is a polynomial of degree n is greater than or equal to 1. So the first one is x minus a is a factor. Here a is any real number of p of x if p of a equal to 0. So first one is if p of a is equal to 0. From remainder theorem, can write as p of x equal to x minus a into q of x plus p of a. This is the remainder theorem we discussed in before videos. సో ముందు వీడియోలో ఇది నేర్చుకున్నాం మనం. రిమైండర్ థీరంలో ఇది రాస్తాం. సో here what is given? If p of a equal to 0, that means p of x equal to x minus a into q of x. What is given? If it is 0, what it will become? P of x equal to x minus a into q of x. P of x is written as x minus a into q of x. Okay, x minus a into something. So it is the product of x minus a and q of x. Then we say that x minus a is the factor of p of x. Therefore, x minus a is the factor of p of x. p of x ను ప్రోడక్ట్గా రాసినామంటే ఇది దీనికి ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుంది, ఇది కూడా దీనికి ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుంది. Let us see the second one. Second one is, what is the second one? If x minus a is factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a equal to 0. So what is given? X minus a is factor. So that means p of x equal to x minus a into q of x. Here q of x is any polynomial for some polynomial q of x. That means P of x equal to, it is a factor means you can write x minus a into something. That let it be a polynomial Q of x. So here, what you have to prove? It is a factor, then P of a equal to 0. That means, let us take, let x equal to a. So P of a equal to a minus a, just replacing x with a, into Q of a. Here P of a equal to a minus a is 0, 0 into Q of a. That is P of a equal to 0 into something is 0. That is P of a equal to 0. If x minus a is factor of polynomial P of x, then P of a equal to 0. Hence proved. Okay. So this is factor theorem. Let us see some problems. Factorize the following. So here, factorization. So factorize 6x square plus 19x plus 15. This is a quadratic polynomial. To factorize a quadratic polynomial, have to split the middle term, so that is x term, into two parts. Their product should be equal to product of these two terms. That means split 19x by using addition or subtraction, and their product should be equal to product of these two. That is 15 into 6x square, that equal to 15 6 are 90x square. So first of all, write the prime factors of 90. So that is 2 4s are 8, 1 remainder, 2 5s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9. Now let us see. 3 3s are 9. This is 9. And 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Yes. So we can write as 10x plus 9x. So 10 9s are 19. So here 6x square and 19x we can write as 10x plus 9x plus 15. So these two are one pair and this is the another pair. From these two we can take 2x as common. So maximum ఎంత కామన్ చేసుకోవచ్చో అంత కామన్ చేస్తున్నాం. This we can write 2 into 3 and this we can write as 2 into 5. So we can take only 2 as common. In this we have x into x, but in this we have only 1x. So we can take x as common. Okay. So therefore, so remaining 3x. So 2 is taken outside, so 3 is left, and out of 2 x's 1x is left. So plus this is 2 into 5. So 2 is taken common, remaining is 5. X taken common, so 5 itself. Plus from this you can take 3 as common, because this is 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So you can take 3 as common. Remaining is 3x plus 5. So okay, after this step we should have same in this bracket. ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో ఉన్న కంపల్సరీ సేమ్ ఉండాల్సిందే. సేమ్ రాలేదు అంటే, దీంట్లో సేమ్ రాలేదు అంటే స్ప్లిట్ చేయడంలో కానీ కామన్ చేయడంలో కానీ తప్పు చేసినట్టు. లెట్ us see. Okay, next again from these two we can take 3x plus 5 as common. 3x plus 5 common. Remaining 2x, here 3. So this is 3x plus 5 into 2x plus 3. These two are factors of 6x square plus 19x plus 15. So that is 3x plus 5 and 2x plus 3 are factors of what? 6x square plus 19x plus 15. Next one, 10m square minus 31m minus 132. First, you have to split the minus 31m into two parts by using addition or subtraction, and their product should be equal to 132 minus 132 into 10m square minus 132 into 10m square, that equal to minus 132 into 10, 1320. So this is not x, m square, m square. Now to split this, first of all you have to find the prime factors of 1320. స్ప్లిట్ చేయాలంటే 1320 ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ చేస్తే మనకి ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సో వీ కెన్ డూ విత్ 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder, 2 6 are 12, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 and 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder, 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder, 2 5s are 10. So by 5 3s are 15, 1 remainder, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3 1s are. So 11 is the prime number, so no need to do 11. Now 11 3s are 33, so this is 33 up to here. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. 40 minus 33 is 7, not 31, so change. 11 5s are 55, 11 5s are 55, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 55 minus 24 is 31, so you can write as 55x and 24, sorry it is not x, m, and 24 m. So what we are doing here? Subtraction. So to subtract from this to this, you have to put minus to any one of the two, but we need here minus, so put minus to bigger one, that is 55. Okay, so that is 10m square minus 55m plus 24m minus 132. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి, ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టరేషన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఏం చూడాలి అంటే, మనం ప్రొడక్ట్ చేస్తూ 2 పార్ట్స్గా రెండు జతలుగా చేయాలి, డివైడ్ ఇంటూ 2 pairs. సో ఆ 2 pairsలలో నేనేం చేశాను, ఓన్లీ ఈ రెండింటిని 11 5ని ఒక జతగా, 3 2 2 2ని ఒక జతగా చేసి ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ని చేసుకోవాలి. దాంట్లో నుంచి ఇది సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసినా అడిషన్ చేసినా ఇది వస్తుందా లేదా చూసుకోవాలి. అది వచ్చే వరకు మార్చుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. ఫస్ట్ నేను 11 into 3 చేసి మిగతా ఈ 4 చేశాను, రాలేదు, సో నేను మార్చుకున్నాను. ఇది రాలేదనుకోండి, ఇంకా మార్చుకోండి ఇట్లా. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్, సో అగైన్ these two are one pair and this is the another pair. From these two you can take only 5m common, remaining is 2m. 5 2s are 10, m into m square, minus 5 into 11 55m, plus from these two you can take 12 as common, 12 common చేయొచ్చు. 12 2s are 24m minus 12 into 11 is 132. From these two we can take 2m minus 11 as common, remaining is 5m plus 12. Therefore 2m minus 11 and 5m plus 12 are factors of 10m square minus 31m minus 132. Okay, this is the factorization method to any quadratic polynomial. So let us see exercise problems. Okay, exercise 2.4. That first problem, determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as factor. So in this given some problems, I am doing first and last. So this is not second one, it is the fourth one in our textbook. So what you have to find, check whether this polynomials has factor as x plus 1. ఈ పాలినామియల్స్కి x plus 1 అనేది ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుందా అనేది మనం చెక్ చేయాలి. సో లెట్ us the given polynomial as p of x equal to x cube minus x square minus x plus 1, and you have to check whether x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. To check, you have to find the 0 of the polynomial, that is x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. If you will get p of minus 1 equal to 0, then we say that x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. So that is minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 minus 1 whole square is 1, minus into minus plus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled equal to 0. That is p of minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, so let's given polynomial is p of x equal to x cube minus x square minus 3 minus root 3x plus root 3, and what you have to check whether x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So to verify, you have to find the 0 value of x plus 1, so that is x equal to minus 1. So you have to find p of a, that is p of minus 1, minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square 3 minus root 3 into minus 1 plus root 3. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So minus of, taking minus 1 into inside, plus into minus, minus 3, minus into minus plus root 3 plus root 3. Now minus 1, opening the brackets, minus into minus plus 3, minus into plus minus root 3 plus root 3. So here minus root 3 plus root 3 get cancelled, minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. So different signs you have to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1, that is p of minus 1 equal to 0, equal to 1. 1 is not equal to 0, it is not a 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Okay, this is the method to check whether the given one is factor of a polynomial. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is factor of f of x in each of the following case. So the first one is f of x equal 5x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 1, g of x equal x plus 1. What you have to determine whether it is ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్, ఇది దీనికి ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుందా లేదా డిటర్మైన్ చేయాలి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఫస్ట్, ద పాలినామియల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5x³ ప్లస్ x² మైనస్ 5x మైనస్ 1, g of x equal to x plus 1. So what is the factor theorem? For any real number a, if f of a equal to or p of a equal to 0, then we say that this x minus a or g of x is factor of the given polynomial. Okay, so first of all you have to find the 0 of this polynomial, that is x plus 1 equal to 0, that equal to x equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1 equal to 5 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 minus 1. 5 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus power odd number is minus, plus minus power even number is plus, that is plus 1, minus into minus plus, 5 ones are 5 minus 1, plus into minus minus, 5 ones are 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1, minus 5 plus 5 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, equal to 0, that is f of minus 1 equal to 0. F of minus 1 equal to 0 means this g of x is the factor of f of x. Therefore g of x is factor of f of x. Next, second one we have to do, third one. Given f of x is x³ minus 4x² plus x plus 6. So g of x is x minus 2. To determine whether this is factor of this, you have to find the 0 value of this g of x, that equal to 0 equal to 2. Therefore f of 2 equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 2 plus 6. 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 4 into 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 6. 8 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 2 plus 6 is 8. This is plus 8 and it is also plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16 minus 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Therefore f of 2 equal to 0. Therefore we say that g of x is factor of f of x. So here fourth question is, fourth one. So given f of x is f of x equal to 3x³ plus x² minus 20x plus 12, and g of x is 3x minus 2. So determine whether it is factor of this, you have to find the 0 value, that is equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 2 will become plus 2, x equal to 2 by 3. So you have to find f of 2 by 3, that is 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. 3 into 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. 22s are 40 by 3 plus 12. 3 ones are 3 9s are 27. That is 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9 minus 40 by 3 plus 12. It means by 1. 9 9 3 1 LCM is 9 9 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 1. 3 ones are 3 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9 is the LCM. 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9, 4 ones are 4. So it is minus 3 threes are 9, 40 threes are 120, plus 1 nines are 9, 12 nines are 108. These three have plus sign, so 108 plus 4, 112, 112 plus 8, 120 minus 120 by 9. So here 120 minus 120 is 0, 0 by 9, 0 by 9 is 0. Therefore f of 2 by 3 equal to 0. F of 2 by 3 equal to 0. Therefore we say that g of x is factor of f of x. Therefore g of x is factor of f of x. Next, fifth one is, so given polynomial f of x equal to 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18, and g of x is 2x plus 3. So you have to find the 0 of the polynomial. 2x plus 3 equal to 0, then 2x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3 by 2. You have to find f of minus 3 by 2. So that is 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube plus 20 into minus 3 by 2 whole square and 33 into minus 3 by 2 plus 18. So that equal 4 into minus 3 whole cube is minus 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8. 20 into this is whole square. So minus power even number is plus. So plus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Plus, okay, here plus into minus minus. 33 into 3, 99. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 by 2 plus 18. 4 1s are 4 2s are 18. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. That equals minus 27 by 2 plus 5 9s are 45 minus 99 by 2 plus 18. That equals minus 27 by 2 minus 99 by 2 plus 45 plus 18 plus 63 by 1. 2 to 1 LCM is 2. 2 ones are 2, 27 ones are 27. 2 ones are 2, 99 ones are 99. Plus 1 into 2, 2, 63 into 2, 126. These two have minus sign. So minus 99 plus minus 27. So minus 126 plus 126 by 2. That equal to 0 by 2. That equal to 0. Therefore f of minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore g of x is factor of f of x. Okay, so this is the second bit.